Hi friends, welcome to lecture series on atomic and molecular physics for BSc third year student semester first. Myself Mr. Balbhim Sahebrao Maharnavar, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dada Patil Mahavidyalay, Karjat. Unit first, we are studying atomic structure. The outline of unit first is Dalton atomic model, Thomson atomic model, Rutherford model of atom, electron orbit, Bohr atomic model, energy levels and spectra, Vector atom model, atomic excitation and atomic spectra. So, what is atom? So, matter is made up of an atom, we know. Matter is anything that takes up space and has a mass. So, atoms are the building blocks of matter, sort of how bricks are the building blocks of the houses. How the name comes from this atom? Atom comes from Greek adjective atomos, that is indivisible, and this word we can say the atom. So who discovered first atom? So if you see BC 5th century, Democritus first proposed the atom. After that, in modern physics, atom proposed some different scientists. So different model is there. We are seeing this model one by. Modern atomic model first gives the Dalton. So Dalton atomic model in 1803 proposed all matter is made up of atoms. Means what? The matter is made up of small tiny particles, and that tiny particles is nothing but atom. Atom of an elements are identical. So if you take a one element, that is gold. So gold have all the atoms are identical. Different element have different atom. Means what? If you take a glass material, plastic material, any ceramic material, so different element have a different atom is there. Atom can engage in a chemical reaction. Means what? These atom are every time something chemical reaction is occurring there. Means what? These atoms taking a part or taking engage in the chemical reaction. Atoms are indivisible. We cannot divide this atom. And another one postulate is there. So atoms cannot create or cannot destroy. These are the Dalton atomic model. In 1897, electron was discovered by doing the cathode ray characteristics. So J.J. Thomson discovered these electrons and he got Nobel Prize in 1906. Actually, J.J. Thomson's around 8 students got the Nobel Prize. Rutherford or so Sir J.J. Thomson, what he was doing that time, he is taking one of the cathode ray tube. This is the cathode ray tube, and here is a cathode, here is an anode, and these cathode rays are comes from this way and incident on this screen, and this is the fluorescent screen, and these particle incident on this fluorescent screen, and these are the particle are negative. That means Rutherford said that negative particles are the electron, and this is a discovery of electron in 1897. Okay. After discovery of electron, J.J. Thomson proposed one atomic model, and this atomic model is nothing but palm atomic model or watermelon atomic model. So what is a Thomson atomic model, or what is the postulates of Thomson atomic model? The first postulate is an atom consists of a positively charged sphere with electrons embedded in it. Means what? If you see the watermelon, some that red part is the positive charge and the seeds of the watermelons are the negative charge, and this negative charge are the electron, and these electron are free everywhere in that watermelon. Like this, the Rutherford says an atom as a whole in electrically neutral because the negative and positive are equal in magnitude. So Thomson atomic model is compared to watermelon where he considered. So watermelon seeds are negatively charged particle and the red part of the watermelon are positively charged. So this is the main postulates of the Thomson atomic model. So what is the limitation of Thomson atomic model? It failed to explain the stability of an atom. Means what? Or because his model of an atom failed to explain how the positive charge hold nucleus charged electron in atom. Means the neutrality is the neutrality of atom he not explain very well. Therefore, this theory also failed to account for the position of the nucleus in an atom. Means the Thomson do not explain about the nucleus. Thomson model failed to explain the scattering of alpha particle by thin metal foil. No experimental evidence in its support, and because these limitations, the Rutherford, his student, actually Rutherford was the Thomson's students, and he proposed a new atomic model, that is a Rutherford atomic model. But before that we are studying the alpha scattering experiment, and after alpha scattering experiment we go to Rutherford atomic model.